when proud-pied April, dressed in all his trim, hath put a spirit of youth in everything, that heavy Saturn laughed and leapt with him. But while the lace of birds and the sweet smell of different flowers, in odor and in hue, could make me any summer story tell, or from their proud lap pluck them from where they grew. Nor did I wonder at the lily's white, nor praise the deep vermilion of the rose. They were but sweet, the figures of delight drawn after you. You, pattern of all those, yet seemed it winter still into your way, as with your shadow I with these did play.
Seasons may change, winter to spring, but I love you until the end of time. Come my way, come suddenly